Let me give you the most valuable thing I discovered after months of frustration. It's a website called oddshoefinder.com. It's completely free, and it lets you buy or sell single shoes or mixed sizes. Finally, no more wasting money buying 2 pairs just to get one that fits. If your feet are different sizes, this is your secret weapon, but that's just the beginning. Let me ask you something. Have you ever tried on shoes where one foot fits perfectly, but the other one, too tight or way too loose? You either limp around in pain or spend double just to fix it, and still feel like you're the problem. You're not. The shoe industry just wasn't built for you. I've been there. After my second pregnancy, my right foot changed size and it never went back. Shopping became a nightmare, blisters, slipping, and regret with every purchase. Until one day I said, I'm not spending another dollar until I find a better way. That's when I created the size match method, a practical system that actually works when your feet don't match. It's all inside this guide. Hidden shoe shopping secrets for women with different size feet. It's not a bunch of fluff, it's the exact method I wish someone had handed me years ago. Here's what you'll find inside. How to remeasure your feet the right way. A breakdown of the only brands and websites that support mismatched sizing. Tools and inserts that fix the fit without breaking your budget. DIY stretching tricks that really work. A fit journal method to save time and money forever. I've helped hundreds of women stop wasting money on shoes that hurt. One reader told me, I thought I'd be stuck buying 2 pairs forever. This guide showed me smarter tools, better brands, and hacks I never knew existed. Now it's your turn. You can get the full system today for just $7. Yes, $7. That's less than the price of one blister pad and a whole lot more useful. Plus, I'll throw in a printable shopping checklist to take with you next time you shop. And because I know how frustrating shoe shopping can be when nothing seems to work, I'm offering a 100% risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee. If this guide doesn't help you find shoes that actually fit, just send me a message and I'll refund every dollar. No questions, no pressure. I want this to work for you. So, if you're tired of painful shoes, overpriced pairs, or feeling stuck, click the link below now. Start shopping smarter. Start walking pain-free. Start finding shoes that actually fit both of your feet. You've got the tools. You've got the method. And now, you've got the secret.